सब्सक्राइब कीजिए नेहरा क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome back to our shell scripting session number 9. My name is Vikas Nehra and you are watching Nehra Classes YouTube channel. Friends, in today's session, we will learn how can we use the logical OR operator in bash shell scripting. In previous session, we have learned the concept of using the logical AND operator in bash shell script. But before proceeding further, let me give you the brief idea about the logical OR operation. So this is the truth table of the logical OR operation, where you can see that X and Y are the inputs and Z is the output. So we are getting the output only if either of the inputs is high. Means if one of the inputs is true, then in that case we are getting the output. We are only not getting the output in one condition if both the inputs are low. Means if both the conditions are false, only in that scenario we will not get any result. So actually what we are getting at the output is the sum of both the inputs. In Linux we use the double pipe symbol for the logical OR operation like this. So if we separate two or more commands by this double pipe symbol for the logical OR operation, then you will find that it is showing us the output of first command only. Means what this OR operator is doing here, it is trying to execute the first command, and if the execution takes place, then it will not check for the remaining commands. But in case if the execution of the first command gets failed, in that case it will check for the execution of the second command, third command, and so on. So if I will try to execute an incorrect command first like this, and then I will mention a correct command and press enter, then you will find that we will get the output of the second command only. So in that case we are getting the output of only one command. So in this way we can use it. Now I will show you how can we use it in our script. So let me open the script file in the VI editor here, and here we will use the same program that I have shown you in the previous video, where we use the logical AND operator. Here in this if condition we can mention -o instead of -a. -a was there for the logical AND operation, and now we are using -o for the logical OR operation. So here we have defined a condition that the age should be greater than 18 or it should be less than 40. Now we will save the script and we will try to execute it. So please have a look at the right hand side of the terminal where I am going to execute this script. So it is asking me to mention the age. So let me mention the age as 25 and press enter. So it is showing the valid age. Because it is greater than 18, it means our first condition is valid. And if I will mention any different age, like I mention here 60, then also I will get the answer as valid age, because either of the conditions would be true. So here we are getting the result because 60 is greater than 18. And if I will mention here the age as 10, then also I will get the same result because 10 is less than 40. So in this case our second condition is true. So we are getting the result either of the first condition or because of the second condition. Here in the if condition, instead of this -o, you can also use the double pipes like this. And for that you need to close the if condition with the double square brackets like this. Now I will save the script and execute it. So please have a look at the right hand side of the terminal, and let me mention the age as 90. Then you will find that it is giving us the result. Means either we can use the double pipes or we can use -o. We can also use the separate conditions. Means in the if condition we can define both the conditions separately using the square brackets in the same fashion as we have done in the logical AND operator video. So let me show you. Here we can close the first condition using the square brackets. So just go in the insert mode and remove the one bracket from here and close the first bracket here, and then start the second bracket here and remove the additional bracket from here. Save the script. Again I'm going to execute it. So you will find that we will get the result. So we can use any method. Here if I will change the condition, let me change the condition. Let me mention here the age as age is equal to 18, and in the second condition the age is equal to 40. Means we will only get the result if the age is either 18 or 40. Now save the script. So for the other ages it will show the result as age not valid. So I'm going to execute the script. Let me mention the age as 65. So you will find the answer as age not valid. And if I will mention here 40, then it will give us the result as valid age. So in this way we can use the logical OR operator in bash shell scripts. So friends, that's it for today's session. Hope you will enjoy it. If you like it, then do share it with your friends and colleagues, and if you are new on this video, then please subscribe our channel and turn on the bell notification for the latest updates. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.